had moved into our home probably, I guess, about 4 years ago. The side panels of our door just needed to be replaced. We decided that we wanted to change the look of the house by just not only replacing that, but changing it from a single door with the side panels to a double door. I couldn't imagine not going with Tuscan Iron doors. They have their own teams that come in and do the installs.
Within 3 hours, they were done, and it was perfect.
As crazy as this sounds, I actually even enjoy locking them and unlocking them.
You open them and close them, they connect. The doors are so solid.
They really made a difference in the look of the house and the amount of light that comes in through the foyer. The doors, they're absolutely beautiful. And actually the reason that we hadn't reached out to them to start with is because the doors were so beautiful and so substantial that we thought that they were probably going to be out of our price range, only to find that the Tuscan Entries doors were actually very competitively priced and were just as nice as we thought they would be from the advertisement.
And I think they're a better quality door than the competitors.